Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about invasive species and some of the mechanisms that allow invasives to be so much more successful than native species. We are going to start with talking about two types of competition between species: exploitation and interference. Exploitation refers to indirect competing for resources. For example, ants competing to collect the most food faster than other ant species before the food runs out. Interference competition is when individuals from two species compete physically for resources. It is most common for a species to excel in one type of competition than another to allow coexistence. This is what is referred to as exploitation-interference trade-off. For example, one type of ant species might be faster at finding food, but are not aggressive and do not attempt to fight other ants to collect food. Or an ant species that is slower in finding food have better success in fighting other species to win food because of body size or chemical defenses. But in the case of invasives, these trade-offs do not exist. Specifically, for Argentine ants, these species excel in both types of competition. This is true for three reasons. One, unicoloniality, which is a type of colony structure that they use to allow them to have super colonies. This greatly increases their population size. Second, having no natural enemies in the areas that they invade. 3, having an abundant source of carbohydrates from honeydew excreting Homoptera. These carbohydrates contribute to their defensive skills. These three advantages that Argentine ants have allow them to excel in both exploitative and interference competition. This gives them the ability to be competitively unstoppable by native ant species.